Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy screenshots with the Snipping tool in Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool. Click on the app to open it. Next, click the New button and capture any area of your screen using Rectangle Snip. After taking the screenshot, it will open automatically in the Snipping Tool window. Now look at the top right corner and click the Copy icon, which looks like two overlapping pages. The screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. Next, open any application where you want to use the screenshot, such as Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, WhatsApp, or any other app that supports images. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the copied screenshot. Your screenshot will appear instantly in the application. This method is much faster than saving the screenshot first because you can copy and paste it directly wherever you need it. If you also want to keep a file copy, click the Save icon and save the screenshot to your computer. That's it. This is how to copy screenshots with the Snipping tool in Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.